What's up, guys? My name is Phil. Welcome back to Miranda Detailing. I'm in the middle of a job right now, but I want to show you guys something. We're working on this leather on an Audi Q5, and we just picked up these new little scrubbers from Car Supply's warehouse. Let's show you what we're working with. Guys, if you're enjoying videos like this, and I hope you are, consider subscribing and clicking that bell so you don't miss stuff. So we're just about finished here. We just did all of the carpets and the leather, and the leather is now looking really nice, but we paused just to show you guys what we're doing here on the driver's side. So here's the driver's side leather. Yeah, pretty dingy, all of that dirt in the grain. Now, we're gonna see if we can pull a lot of that dirt out of the grain. So we have some of the wrinkles here as well that you can see dirt is built up in them, and some weird scuffs and things here. And on the bolster here, and here's what we're using. These are the little scrub ninjas. So these little guys are pretty awesome, and when you look close at the fingers, they look very much like the other little yellow brushes that we use, and these are just nice because they are in this format, so you can really get into tight areas. You can squish everything down, while the other ones were kind of rigid. So what we're using for a cleaner, Meguiar's dedicated leather cleaner. We love this stuff. It is awesome. So let's do half the seat and let's see how much we can pull from the grain. Now, it's not like the magic...
I actually need the steamer.
Oh, you're going to need the steamer?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. A little bit of steam. Now, remember too, when working with leather, if it's cracked or really starting to get worn down and damaged, you don't want to go aggressive. But these little scrub ninjas are pretty impressive, and they're not that aggressive. They're not like the magic erasers that, you know, have abrasion in them. Wow. Oh yeah, you can see the difference. You can see the dirt in the grain here, and then where it's cleaned, big difference. It gets into the grain very well without being abrasive. So those little guys are awesome. Wow, that is great. All right, let's clean up the rest of it. And I like the fact that we can reuse these as well. Just run them under warm water with some APC or soap, clean them all out, and reuse them. They will eventually wear down, but you can just continue using them until they're worn down, and they're not that expensive. These will really speed up your leather cleaning, and vinyl, anything that's leather or vinyl that has a grain, they clean up extremely well. Look at that. Now it's nice and bright, and it cleaned up the grain. Excellent. Look at that. So the leather looks beautiful now. Nice and matte. Cleaned of all the oils. So we use a damp towel to remove any of the residue from the leather cleaner. But that stuff is great. It is an awesome cleaner. Leaves the leather perfect. Ready for some conditioning or whatever you want to use. All right. So guys, that was just a quick video showing you those little scrub ninjas. Those things are awesome. Now they also come in a larger pad. I had it around here. Where did I put it? Oh, I remember. So we also have the big pad version. So you can actually put your hand in here and clean large areas very, very quickly. So if you're dealing with a lot of leather and vinyl, then you can use this. So when you look up close, you can see that they're these little raised fingers, and they really do a great job of cleaning all of the grain inside of leather and vinyl. You can use this side if you want, like a bug sponge. These are awesome. So if you are interested in those auto fiber scrub ninjas, check out the links down below. We are loving them. I actually like them way better than the other ones that we've been using, which over here, these guys on the blocks, they work very, very well. But the other ones, you can get into tighter areas. You're not restricted by the rigid block here. Any of these do work, but I gotta say those scrub ninjas are just better than those. So we're loving them. Plus you can just wash them out. I wouldn't recommend putting them in the washer because those little fingers can detach and could kind of mess up other towels. Just wash them by hand, let them air dry, you're good to go. They'll last a long time. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click that bell, blah, 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 so you don't miss stuff. And we'll see you guys in the next one. We gotta get this thing done. Take care.